the 3 best car insurance in Singapore. You can buy car insurance in Singapore in minutes. The problem is, you only find out if you chose well when something happens on the road and you need help fast. That's where people get trapped. The quote looked good, but the workshop rules, the claim flow, or the support experience suddenly matters more than the premium. There's one detail that decides the best choice for most drivers, and it's not the price. I'll come back to it at the end. How I picked these 3. I'm ranking based on real-world claims experience, how predictable the process feels, how clear the coverage is, and how easy it is to get back on the road. I'm also weighing flexibility. In Singapore, the best policy is the one that matches how you actually drive, where you service your car, and how much hassle you can tolerate. And I'm keeping it practical. A policy that looks full coverage can still feel disappointing if the exclusions and workshop conditions don't fit your routine. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. Place 3. DirectAsia. Best for drivers who want control and a clean online setup. DirectAsia is a strong pick if you like choosing what you need without feeling forced into extras you'll never use. It tends to fit people who are comfortable managing things online and want coverage that feels configurable, especially around driver options and add-ons that match your situation. The honest nuance is that flexibility means you need to read what you're selecting. If you click fast, you can end up with a setup that's technically fine but doesn't match your real life. If you want a modern experience with customizable coverage and you're happy doing things digitally, DirectAsia is a solid 3rd place choice. Place 2. Income. Best for straightforward daily peace of mind. Income often works well when you want something that feels steady and familiar, especially if you prefer a policy that's easy to understand and easy to maintain year after year. For many drivers, this is the calm choice. Solid mainstream coverage that doesn't feel like a complicated system you have to learn. The honest nuance is that calm can sometimes mean less tailoring. If you're very specific about how you want claims handled or you're optimizing every detail, you may want a more configurable setup. If your priority is simplicity with dependable support, Income earns the 2nd spot. Place 1. MSIG. Best all around when claims support matters most. MSIG takes the top spot because in day-to-day reality, the best car insurance is the one that holds up when you actually need help. This is often the right choice if you care about support during stressful moments, like arranging assistance, handling repairs, and keeping the claims process from turning into a second job. The honest nuance is that no insurer is perfect for every driver. Your experience can still depend on how your policy is structured, which workshop path you're on, and how clearly you document the incident. But if you want strong all-around coverage with an emphasis on claims and roadside confidence, MSIG is a strong number 1. The detail that decides the best choice. Here's the detail I promised. The best car insurance in Singapore usually comes down to your workshop arrangement and how you want repairs handled. If you want maximum clarity and control online, DirectAsia can be a great fit, as long as you choose options intentionally. If you want a steady, no drama setup for everyday driving, Income often fits that lifestyle. If you want the strongest I need help now feeling when something goes wrong, MSIG is often the best overall pick. Before you buy, imagine the claim day. Which policy feels easiest to use when you're tired, busy, and just want the problem solved? That's usually the best one. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.